Hello guys, and what's up guys. Today I'm gonna tell you something about Iran. First of all, this is not a paid video. I'm not paid by the Iranian regime. I'm making this video just because I'm myself here in Iran. I had the same doubts before coming here that Iran might be dangerous. There is an Islamic strict government which restricts women and affects dressing and those things. But after coming here, within 3 days, all of my doubts are removed. But still, there are some problems which tourists face here in Iran. I will tell you that. But man, Iran is very, very beautiful. So you cannot miss it just for some small, minor problems. The problems that you will face in Iran, number one, international cards don't work here, like the Visa, American Express and MasterCard. Those all don't work here just because of the sanctions that the US has put on Iran. So these cards will not work, so you have to bring cash, dollars, pounds and euros here into Iran. The second problem is that you cannot book any hotel or hostel online, but you can by looking for hotels online and then emailing them. I also found a hostel. I emailed them and I got it for only $10 a day here in the center of Tehran. And the next problem is there is no English here. People mostly speak Parsi, which is the local language, so you have to learn a few words of Parsi. But man, I'm gonna tell you, people here in Iran are very, very friendly, and this place is so beautiful, so beautiful. It has culture, it has history, food, and it is modern as well. Like you will find metro train here in Tehran that is not less than New York or Montreal or London. I mean, what you need in a country. I'm not going into politics, but I will recommend Iran in Tehran just as a travel destination, because whenever you go to a city or country, you look for a few things, what it offers. You look for culture, you look for history, you look for food and people. All these things can be found in Iran, and I have found it myself. That's why I will definitely recommend to visit Iran once in life. And I mean, it is also very cheaper. You can have a meal for $2 or $3, and for 20 cents you can go and explore the city in the metro train. And also I have a hostel room only for $10 US, so it's not expensive at all, and everything you can find. I can compare this Tehran city with any modern city in the world. For example, Dubai, Istanbul or any other city. If you just look at the one negative picture about strict regime, strict government and this thing in the media thing, then you will miss this beauty. I mean, this is really a beauty in Central Asia. Again, I'm not paid by anyone for this video. I'm sharing this video just because I have experienced myself. It is unbelievably beautiful and great place. Thank you very much for watching this video.